Greetings everyone. Well, kahit saan man po tayo nakatira ay willing po akong i-share sa inyo na meron po tayong nangyari sa ngayon regarding the CME chart or the weekly and or weekend trend run for today. As we can see, as you can see on the screen, I do have 14 positions in total, but never or one, or I mean, none of this. I don't need to worry about liquidation or anything of that sort because uh, I do diversify my profits to all of the possible situations that I can profit regardless if some other coins are going to dump. Uh, there are a total of six that are already on negative positions, but eventually I'll give you a proof that this will not going to liquidate, not even hit my stop losses. So this is a video upload about um, emotional control on how to deal with sudden changes on the trend run. It happens most of the time. I'll give you a good situation. Let's say today news said that uh, the trend goes up, but most of the time during weekends, even in holidays, that most likely it will go down. Why? Why do before we are going to start um, controlling our emotions? Let's try to talk first. Why do markets go down? Most likely during the weekends and during holidays. First of all, there will be no investors during that day, during those days. Second, there will be no trades or low in volume during those days. And third reason is that because of the control of the government. So, even though the third reason is much more likely not going to happen most of the time, but if it's said to be that it's going to be illegal, then it will affect the trades or the flow of trades. So let's see first if that happened to be that there are some news about negative impacts or impacting to the downside or against our will, what we need to do is to go back to the basics that, hey, I need to manage my risk because this video is about risk management. Okay, so as we can see here, I have 14 positions and I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six positions are already against going my trend. So 14, and then diminished by 6. I still have 8 positions running on the green side. Now, here's the next question. Upon this uh, 6 positions, if we combine, how much will it affect? Yes, it will affect. But the The situation here is which one is much greater in terms of value, whether that's positive or negative. Here, we can see that there is $18 still unrealized P&L, and that is still positive. So meaning to say that the trend of this red or negative numbers are still not enough to beat the um, the green P&L or the green profits. So do we panic? No, I don't panic. Still, because still I have a positive unrealized P&L. Do you worry about liquidation? No, I'm not. I, I'm not going to worry about liquidation. And the good thing here is that it shows the liquidation price. So do I need to change my stop losses? That depends. There are some situations or cases that you need to. Okay, so give an example here. We have a liquidation price of 7.3 and we're still having this number increasing. So what do we need to do? Let's go back to the basics. Now we are here in sushi USD perpetual. Now what we're going to do? Well, do you worry if your trend on the RSI is below normal and your stochastic is tending to be on the upside already? Or let's say MACD. As you can see on the MACD, still it's the downtrend, but checking the other indicators as well, we'll see that there is something that we need to wait for reversal. So do we need to worry? Do we need to worry about liquidation? Not anymore. I don't need to. But if this stop losses, I need to manage my stop loss. So weighting, or I mean comparing by the weight of the situation depending on the charts, that here we go that the $7 in terms of the stop losses, we need to control the stop losses. So for example, what if other coins are affected as well? So we need to check this time to time. But for me, I can see that I don't need to worry about changing my stop loss or even try to increase my stop loss. Well, it's best if I would like to, if I do recommend for the new ones to change my stop loss. So for example, I put it on 8. Why? As you can see, if we try to increase uh, the stop loss control, chances will be it will meet the support or resistance. And if there is a support and resistance, yet there is also a potential reversal near, before, or within the level of the resistance or support. That depends on what trend group did you choose. Then therefore, you don't need to worry. So for example, in my case, I put my position in long position, then I don't need to worry about uh, I don't need to worry about being lost to the negative side. So therefore, I have something I can show you that this too is something you need to wait for reversal to the pumping side, to the upside. Now, let's check on ZRX. Does it happen the same way? Here, there are greater chances that we need to control our stop loss here. We need to change our stop loss. So, good thing, liquidation price is still way, way lower, way lower than the stop loss we have currently right now. But if we try to think about it, that it might go down, it might go down. So we need to change it a little bit near to the liquidation price. So let's say around 0.7. I'll change that to 0.7. Oh, by the way, while I'm doing this video, I'm sharing it to you guys that uh, my trainings usually comes with risk management, whether that's going to be spot or futures. Here. Now, let's get another example. We have Bitcoin Binance USD pair or Binance US dollar pair. Now, do I need to change this? Nah, I don't need to change this anymore. Why? Let me give you a show. Here. Bitcoin Binance USD pair. This is not Tether. This is Binance US dollar. Okay. All right. Here. You can see on the charts that we're still above the normal trend line on the smooth moving average that I colored as yellow. We're still above. Even though that the RSI is above normal and the situation about this stochastic is also above the normal range. The good thing here is that when I started this Binance USD earlier this morning here in the Philippines, I checked it with the Bitcoin US dollar Tether pair. So let me see the Binance US dollar Tether pair. Though the charts might seem to be a little bit the same, but I don't need to worry about it because there's a strong support here at 36,000 level. So even though that the Bitcoin US dollar Tether pair shows this liquidation price at 37,000, it's my decision. It's my decision to stay here at this level for the stop loss. Now, let's have another example. Ethereum US dollar Tether. Do you think I need to change this? Do you need to change this as you can see on screen? Do you think I need to change my stop loss? The answer is no. Why? We're still above the smooth moving average. Stochastic is already very low. At any time, it will be reversed. Even though that the RSI is uh, above normal. And even if MACD is on the downside, I don't need to change that anymore. So another example will be the BLZ USDT pair. Do I need to change this? Do I need to change this? Do you think so? Even if the smooth moving average is the candlesticks right now is below the smooth moving average. Do I need to change that? Not anymore. Why? Stochastic is going to reverse. It's below normal for the RSI. MACD is already near its climax to get close on the next level. So we're going to wait for a reversal again. And I don't need to change this. Why? There is a level of support here at 0.11. I don't need that anymore. So now, we see earlier, if you can try to rewind the video, that this doji is hasn't been able to reach $10. Doji is the one of the two, as I can see already on the screen, that one of the two reasons why the PNL is still on the good side. Now, here, I even tried to give a good proof about the doji. Do I need to change this? Even if you can see it was been rejected right around here, as we can see that there is a resistance on this level at 0.06, and it was been rejected to the downside. This is called retracement or retesting of the resistance. Yeah, eventually that the doji will go down, but it will not reach the level of support at 0.04. So do I need to change this? It's my decision as well, if I would like to change it or not. Even though that there is a good show about the liquidation price is lower than my current stop loss. Do I need to change this as well for TRX? Even though TRX is the most lowest profit I had in this position for now. So we're waiting for the charts to show up. Here, still above the smooth moving average. RSI is a little bit above normal. Stochastic is just near above normal. Now let's do the decision. Do I need to change this? Not anymore. It's very impossible.
So, how about XLM? You can see that XLM has been also been decreased, and we need to see the weight. Okay, here we go. So, do I need to change this? It's way above than my SMMA. RSI is in the critical limit. Then stochastic is already at this level. Do I need to change that? Well, here's the special reason that I'm going to share this answer. I will wait. I will wait to either change my SL or wait to hit the take profit. We are already near the take profit, and I don't see any resistance just yet here. It just so happened to be that this one was being rejected at this level, 0.4, or I mean 0.0, I mean that's 0.40861. So I think I don't need to change it yet, but I'll check that time to time. As for the other coins, this TRB, I don't need to change this as well for me. See that? Do you think I need to change this when stochastic at any time it will reverse? Yeah, I don't need to, right? And good thing here is that TRB's current liquidation price is very far below than my current stop loss. See that there is a strong support here. There is a very strong support. At any given time, I don't need to change it. The only thing we need to check is the unrealized P&L. That is the most important thing we need to check in this kind of situation today. Well, I think I made your day very good and happy. And if you like this video for educational purposes regarding trades, risk management is the most important thing here in trading. So I do hope that at the end of this video, you're very satisfied about controlling your emotions despite this kind of situation. Well, if you do like this video, kindly please leave a subscription, click the bell icon, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to put a comment, you can write it down. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.